Hi guys, it's Alyssa from Online Fabric Store. Today I'm going to talk with you about 6 things that I think are essential for every person's sewing kit. So number 1 is going to be your needle and thread, and then if you're using a sewing machine, you're going to want bobbins too. Needle and thread are really great, and you can make them into small little emergency kits, leave them in your car, put them in your purse, and then you can fix problems as they arise if you rip your clothes, anything like that. So yeah, this is number 1. So now moving on to number 2 is going to be your fabric scissors. I cannot stress enough the importance of only using your fabric scissors on fabric. If you use them on paper, it's going to dull them and it's going to make cutting fabric really hard. I use the Gingher scissors, and I know that they're a little more expensive than regular shears, but honestly I think they're totally worth it. I really recommend them. It's really nice cutting through fabric, kind of like cutting through butter. I love these scissors. You can ask anyone. I freaked out when I got them the other day, so I definitely recommend them. Moving on to number 3, we have our fabric marker, chalk, and then this is a dressmaker's pencil. These are really great tools. I am counting them all in the same category because it's all for marking fabrics, but you can kind of use them for different things. So this marker is air soluble. It will disappear over time, so that's really great for general use, but it is purple, so for darker fabrics, I recommend the chalk or the pencil. These are great. They kind of are the same type of thing. They might be interchangeable with each other, so whatever you prefer, but they do wipe away really easily. You can just kind of use your finger or a damp cloth, anything like that, but they do come off of the fabric really easily, so I definitely recommend getting at least one of the two, and then the marker is awesome. And then on to number 4 is going to be your pins. Pins are super important, and you're going to use them in most of your sewing projects for putting 2 pieces of fabric together and making sure that they don't slip as you're trying to feed them through the sewing machine. This is a case of 500 pins. It's really important to get rid of pins that are bent or broken. You don't want those. They're gonna mess up your fabric. Make sure that you have a nice stockpile of these and that they're nice and sharp and straight. Number 5 is my personal favorite, and it is a seam ripper. They're gonna be your best friend when you're starting sewing because you are gonna make lots of mistakes, and that's totally okay because seam rippers can help you undo the threads, kind of rematch up the fabric and sew again. So this is going to make that really helpful. It's sharp inside this little corner right here, and we have a tutorial on how to use seam rippers so you don't ruin your fabric when you're going to rip out seams. And then last but not least is going to be your rulers. Rulers are really great for making a straight edge. They'll also do great 90-degree angles for you. We sell a bunch of different rulers online, but personally these 2 are my favorite and the ones that I use the most often. This one, obviously, for size reasons, it has angles on there and is pretty big, so you can work with larger projects. This one I really like because it has like a 1/2 inch measurement, and both of them are clear, so you can see the fabric underneath the ruler. When you're marking, you'll know that you're getting a straight line. So that is my list of the essential 6 items that you need in your sewing kit. If you have anything to add, drop it in the comments below, or like and subscribe to our channel for more crafting videos, tips, and tricks. See you next time.